Working with the Great Plains maintenance crew is really helpful. If you have any questions like on trucks, specifically in the safety department, they help me with like what cords I need to get for like certain newer trucks. They're a very fun group back there, always laughing and always having a good time.
No matter how busy they are, they're always going to take the time to answer your questions. No matter the questions I have, no matter what it is, they're going to answer them for me. They're very helpful in orientation to ensure the trucks are ready, and then I know any questions that the drivers have, they're there to help them out.
I'm Randy Munson. I'm the maintenance conditioner. I try to get you to wherever you need to go to get you fixed up. If it's from a tire to an oil leak, maybe it's a fuse or a taillight, I try to get you into a repair shop or dealership. Just call me really for repairs.
My name is Matt.
My name is Jace.
I'm a diesel mechanic. I work on the truck side.
Just a trailer mechanic.
I'm from Hanford, California.
I am from Fargo.
Favorite place I've ever visited? Probably Europe. Saw a lot of stuff that you usually only see on like the Discovery Channel.
Probably Tennessee. All the scenery down there. All the trees and stuff.
I love to nap. Nap time's my favorite time. I do car stuff, car shows, things like that.
Just hanging out with friends.
My name is Wade Purvis. Reefer salary.
Have you had to get shop work done on your truck?
Had it twice, yes. They've got me in pretty quick and got me back out real quick. First time I came in, I actually gave them a long list of stuff to do, and they got it done quick and everything was taken care of. No major complaints.
What's your name?
Scott Greenwood, driver, reefer. They're a good crew, take care of you. Try not to leave you sitting for too long. When they fix it, it's fixed, and they try to get you in and get you out as quick as they can.
They treated you pretty nicely?
Yeah, everyone has.
Thank you, maintenance.
For all your hard work.